that. Come read this license plate.
Oh yeah, get away from me.
What the hell are those?
They're my little frog shoes and they're very comfortable.
Doesn't Jim wear those things?
Jim, we were actually talking about it today. And they're great, and you guys should all wear toe shoes.
Got a puppy.
Hey. Tonka.
Tonka,
Yeah.
Is that his name?
Tonka.
What kind of dog is it?
Doodle.
Alright guys, vlog episode number 5 I think it is. Let's go in here and see what the guys are up to.
I am scanning transmission today so that we can design a bracket. And then I also need to get the dash scanned so I can build a bracket for that and like a filler plate.
Is that the big screen or the little screen?
This is a big screen.
Big screen TV.
Big screen TV. So I did all like the calibration for that this weekend. I started like doing all the dash layouts.
What you packing up?
Oh, we're sending some ring plates.
Oh, fun.
Sending out some reinforcement stuff.
Where to?
Here in PA.
Like Popeyes or Dave's Hot Chicken?
Dave's Hot, 100%.
I've never had Dave's Hot.
Dave's giving me a damn upset stomach every
Really?
single time. No matter the spice level.
And I like these S54 swapped wagons. That looks comfy.
Hella comfy.
What are you doing in there?
EWS wiring. Well, clutch switch wiring.
What mount is this?
It's just a rear control arm.
Where's my blood? There it is.
Your blood Loctite?
Shit, yeah.
What are you Loctiting? Some bushings.
Yeah.
I told you not to use any lube.
Yeah, I'm not using any. It also told me not to use any brake clean, but I ain't no dummy. Building a race car.
Is this for whose car?
This is Heller. I'm just inspecting my nuts, you know.
Yeah.
Gotta get
Getting
all
a good
that.
look.
Gotta get all that debris out of there.
Debris.
Debris. Use the brake clean to get any type of like artificial oils or degreasers off of the surface so that the Loctite actually does its job.
Oh, did you get the piece in?
Yeah.
The what, control arm, right? Yeah. With the new bushing.
Yeah, the new bush.
The new bush.
The new bush, yeah.
Nice. So, are you gonna keep it 3D printed mounting plate
Probably not.
for this, or are you gonna send it to like Senka Send again and have them?
Yeah, I'll have a metal one time.
go with? I looked at it.
The AIM
It's the
MXT.
aim.
Let's see if I drew this right.
That's so sick.
Nailed it.
Sweet.
That should work.
Is that really the only dash stuff you have to figure out? Just to mount that and then slap the dash back in?
Run the wiring, and then yeah, this is like that's. I want to get this done so that I can weld my tray in today, so that I can put the dash in and be done with the dash. There was some deflection stuff before. I gotta see if it clears our bar we put in, so I may have to notch this out.
Do a test fit today then.
Yeah, so I'll test fit this again, but this part's done. I already have the program for that, so I want to get that in and wired so I can like program it.
You're just gonna hook it right up to the jump box.
Yeah,
Should work.
of course it will.
There it is. Now can you put like cool pictures and stuff on there?
So I can add a logo there so it fires up to
We gotta put the Kassel one in there.
that or the dude that's,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, people will love that.
Yeah.
Did you see, speaking of shit like that?
I've seen him as the tack,
Yeah.
and his schlong is
It's
like
the
the
fucking,
needle.
yeah, like the needle. Hey, needle. It does belong in a Mustang, doesn't it?
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Although the more I look at it, I guess I don't hate it that much.
No, I kind of like it.
That's what he said.
No, we were doing these jump lunges yesterday.
Oh, this one's more BMW style.
I think we can change. Oh boy.
Oh, track selection.
So let's go there. How do I change? Oh, view. That changes our pages. So this is like a time. I did all the timing stuff over here. Minimal.
So you already kind of designed the layout?
Yeah, I think I have the layout set, and then it's like, oh, I like this one. So I was like, all right, I guess I'll build one of these too, which is basic. Just it's gonna have gear, plus or minus from your reference time, oil temp, and what your traction control mode is, and just 2 simple gauges.
Yeah, it's kind of.
But he reverted back to this one that would be
that
like
one?
the main one. So we got like it's gonna predict your time over here. Here's your reference time. Here's your actual time. So you'll be able to see if you're up or down
Right.
on reference. So you know if you're having a shitty lap, you can just fucking down.
You're gonna know it.
Yeah.
You okay?
That's my shaft that drives.
I think this is your shaft.
Looks like it's been dropped once or twice.
Yeah, I didn't drop it though. You saw that.
Yeah, we got that on tape. That it must have dropped twice.
Oh yeah, look, there's a whole hole.
Yeah, there's the drive shaft. It's in there. Come here. Slide that foreskin off. Alright, that schnoz.
I think those U-joints are bigger than my box truck.
Oh, it makes
more power.
yeah, it makes like 5 times the power.
Yeah, but I make more torque.
Do you?
Yeah.
How much torque you making?
Like 8 something.
Oh god dang, yeah, that's a lot.
Alright.
But I'm gonna try to see if it fits.
Your shop showed up.
Holy shit, something went right.
That don't look too bad.
And that angle don't look too crazy. That's what I was gonna say. That angle's not terrible.
I was worried about the angle. Oh, yeah, we can even come up a little bit. But that was a degree off. 6.
For the drive
6
shaft.
degrees
Yeah.
instead of 7. 6, 7.
God damn it! I knew.
And this is at 3.
Get Ben in the background. I love how this shop vlog is just turning into the Supra.
Yeah, it's super progress.
Yeah, super progress.
Well, it's the most projecty project right now.
I know.
It's the project.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, YouTube, hit that follow button and follow along. See you guys in the next video.